Hello everyone, today we are going to make this very simple looking website just made in HTML, not anything fancy. So see, it's very simple, but we will be using the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help us create this in just minutes. So let's start our journey. Yes, welcome. Today we will be using ChatGPT to make a very simple website. So we need a simple static website just using HTML, and I need 4 pages. First one, the index page containing information about the website, and second page, the about us page, where give information to users about the website, and third, create a contact us page with HTML form. My website is about history. So select any topic randomly and give me code for each page with navigation links. Let's see, it's creating the pages for us. We have the index page, about page, contact page, and then the timeline page. One extra page it has created for me. It is about ancient Egypt. Okay, now this is the first page, the index page. I already had this index page with me, so I will simply copy this text, come here, paste this, save it, and let's see how it looks like. Nice. Okay, I don't have these pages, so I have to create these pages. So to create these pages, I will go to File and then New, and let's come back to ChatGPT and let's see what's the next page. Next page is about .html. Simply copy this code, come here, paste it, and from the languages you may select the HTML. Okay, now it looks good. Let's save it, and its name is about.html. Now the next page is contact. Copy this, come back to your notepad plus plus, open the new window. Let's select the language to be HTML. Let's save it with the name contact.html. You have to use the same name. Make sure no spelling mistakes and saving the file. The last one is a timeline. Let's copy this code, new file, and let's save it with the name timeline.html. Okay, before this, I would like to change the language. Save it, timeline.html. Now I have all these pages. Let's come here, refresh it, about, timeline, contact us. So just within few seconds, few minutes, I have created a very simple static website. Okay, so next time we will learn some more things about this. Till then, please do a little practice using different topics. Till then, take care.